Good morning everyone and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities PCG Research. On Wednesday, technically the index took support near 17,500 and bounced back sharply after a huge gap down opening. Our markets have been following to the global cues since the end of the result season. So we are directly connected to the global cues, and also when we saw lower opening for our markets on Wednesday, in the second half of the day we saw a gradual recovery towards the levels of 17,600, 650. In fact, the market surpassed the level of 17,600 without any major efforts on the back of specific recovery in the US stock futures, and as soon as they turned green we saw recovery in our markets also. So we are completely following to the global cues, and that's the reason today also we are going to see higher opening for our markets. Yesterday US witnessed substantial recovery or substantial gains for the day. Dow Jones closed nearly 400 points higher as compared to its previous close, and currently Singapore Nifty is trading 110 points higher. So certainly we are going to see higher opening in today's date, but if we just go through with the technical structure of the market, then it is completely volatile. It is following to the global cues which are highly uncertain, and that's the reason the market is not able to cross the upward boundary which is at 17,800 and lower boundary which is around 17,400. So broadly we are of the view that until the market is crossing the level of 17,800, or at least it is closing above the levels of 17,730, we are not going to see any meaningful trend in the market. So we need at least a close above the levels of 17,730 or dismissal of 17,800 in today's day. Also, if we go through with the broader structure of the market, then it is following to the higher top higher bottom series, but this time the markets are in between the corrective pattern, and it is between the entire trading range of 18,000 and 17,160, 165 on the downside. So that's the reason the markets are turning more volatile, and it is becoming very difficult for traders to initiate any specific trade in the market. Those who are contra traders in the market, they are doing well, but to trade or to take contra trades in such type of markets, it's extremely difficult. So for the day, 17,730 and 17,800 are the important levels. Above 17,800 we would see the levels of 17,900, 950, and on the downside, if we see the market is if the market starts sustaining below the mark of 17,600, then the chances of hitting 17,500 or 400 would turn bright. For the bank Nifty, there also we saw recovery, and there also we are expecting furthermore upward activity along with the broader trend of the Nifty. So the chances of 39,700 or 39,950 are higher if we see the bank Nifty is sustaining above the mark of 39,400. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us, and have a great day to all of you.